In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Avalon key fob and change the battery at home. So this is incredibly easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, if you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, the first step here is to look on the bottom, right where this key ring attaches. You can see there's a little indentation. Probably see it better over here. There it is. There's that little indentation, a little slot in the plastic. You want to take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and twist. Now this will crack the device open, and you can just lift this up. Have this little rubber component with the buttons there. Just kind of dump everything out. Set that down, and even if you take it out differently, if this comes apart, it's all the same. Don't worry. We're just going to work on this circuit board and just hold it on the sides. Kind of be careful not to damage anything, and you can just slide the battery right out with your fingers, and you can get rid of your old battery, get a brand new CR2032 battery. And again, if you don't know where to get that, there will be a link in the description. And when you're sliding this back in, make sure the positive side that has the information there, all that text, make sure that goes face up. So we slide it in just like that, and now we can go ahead and start to reassemble this. So you can drop the circuit board back into this little rubber component, and then you can set this, we're going to set this into the area with the openings for the buttons. Just set that down and it will sit nice and secure in place, and then we're just going to click the back on, and you can feel all the buttons are working. You've got a new battery in there and you are good to go. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery for any of your key fobs for any make or model, go ahead and check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.